Have a great evening over there in Virginia, 73 Kilo Echo 4 Germany, good evening. Thanks for the call, Dan, 59 plus. QSL. Dan, you take care, stay healthy, good luck, bye-bye, QRZ.
November 8, November Kilo. November 8, November Kilo.
America, Mexico, thank you. Good evening, Anthony. 5959 plus, is that the uniform 009, QSL?
Right now, this guy's, he's strong because he was hitting S9, and that's on a 6-foot high. That's on the Desperation Wire out there. I'm going to see if I can work him at the 20-watt level. I know I can't, though, because he's getting pounced on. I know I can't work him at the 100-watt level, but we'll see what we can do. Come on. Yeah, he's fading away. I'm going to pause this and see if QSB brings him back. I don't believe it. A maritime mobile station contacted him. Now he wants to talk about the weather. I don't believe it. There goes the pileup. And he's gone. By the way, the maritime mobile station asked him what day of the week it was. That was awesome. I'm glad they hooked up. Wait, that has a different meaning these days, I think.
Hey Chuck, have a good night. Stay well.
I found this guy, and he was working a few QSOs, and then he stumbled across some old goat. Probably like me. I don't know how old he was. So the guy's cranking through QSOs, contacts I should call them. He's cranking through them. All of a sudden he stumbles across this old boy, an old fart, and they swap 5 9s. And then the old fart's like, "And what's your weather like over there? I hear it's been rainy." Ah, man, are you serious? I've been a ham for 90 years. How about you, son?